Hi guys, we received this balance board for reviewing purposes, so let me take it out of the box to show it to you, okay? This is what comes inside. You can use it for making some squats, some balancing back and forth, and it's a back stretcher also, okay? So let me place it on the floor and let me show you how to use it. Come on. Okay, we can use it to rock back and forth, okay? Like this, to stretch this part, okay? You can adjust like this if you want. You can also do some squats in it, like this, maintaining your balance. You could use it to do some push-ups, like this. And lastly, you can use it as a back stretcher with this part, okay? Place yourself with and you stretch yourself, okay? So as you can see, it's really nice. You can use it to do different kinds of exercise. It feels of a very nice quality, and it's perfect to, as I've said, do this kinds of exercise at home. So I will really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.